One of my viewers suggested Turkish eggs with Aleppo pepper, and can I tell you, they're amazing. I didn't have all of the ingredients, so I'm just going to call this version Turkish-Style eggs. Start out by putting a pot of water on to boil over medium heat. To poach the perfect egg, you want to crack it first into a small bowl. When you see small bubbles start to form, gently lower the egg into the water and set a timer for 2.5 minutes. Remove the egg with a slotted spoon when it's done. Add 2 tablespoons of yogurt or labneh to a bowl and grate 1 clove of garlic into it. Season it with salt, pepper, and fresh dill if you have it. Spread the yogurt out onto a plate and make a nice swirly pattern. Over medium heat, melt 1 tablespoon of salted butter and add a half teaspoon of paprika. I used a combination of plain and smoked. This is where you would add Aleppo pepper, but if you don't have any like me, just add dried red chili flakes. Drizzle the butter sauce onto the yogurt and gently lay on your poached eggs. I'm topping this with some snipped garlic chives, but you can enjoy it plain as well. All that's left is to dig in with some nice toasted bread. Drop me a line in the comments and let me know what you think. Have you ever had this creamy, delicious dish before? I'd love to hear from you.